Having fun?
Yeah, okay. Hello, I'm Hunter.
Hey, I'm Megan, and today we're showing you how to make tasty coconut macaroons with a chocolate drizzle. So, Hunter, why don't you tell us how we're going to make those?
First things first, we need an electric mixer, and in that bowl, we're going to put 4 egg whites, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and with all that, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And we'll mix that up in here first.
Yes.
Stuff from our videos. You hear that? People are learning, folks.
So, here we have our 4 egg whites, our teaspoon of vanilla, our 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and our 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And it's appetizing. Hunter, would you chug this?
Definitely.
Yeah, down the hatch, baby. So we're gonna put this onto our electric mixer. So
Yes.
let's get that on there.
And so tell us how you want to mix this up with the electric mixer.
So you want to put your mixer down.
Step 1.
Yeah, let's move that on here. Put your mixer down. Lock said mixer. Put mixer on high and just let that bad baby run. Purring like a kitten. And then you want to wait until it starts to form soft peaks, and you'll know it's a soft peak because it kind of like it sticks up, then does a little floppy curl.
Yes. If it's a curly top. Think about soft serve ice cream. It looks great,
yes,
but it always curls a little bit. That's a soft peak.
Yes.
Soft serve ice cream, soft peaks. There you go.
So you want to mix until you have it at that consistency. It's kind of a sticky, rough consistency, but it has those soft peaks.
Yes. Then we're going to slowly add in 1 tablespoon of the sugar, and you want to have a cup and 1/3 of sugar total. So 1 cup and 1/3 cup of sugar, and just slowly, as you're mixing it with the soft peaks, add that in. And then once that's all done, you're going to keep mixing it until you see stiff peaks, which are the opposite of soft peaks.
They stick straight up.
They don't fall.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have just mixed all our ingredients on high for about 1.5 minutes, and we have the soft peaks forming. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of sugar at a time while mixing until we get those hard peaks formed. So here we are done mixing all of our ingredients, and you have the hard peaks. They're sticking up and it's pretty sticky. So now for our last mixing step, we want to add in 14 ounces of shredded coconut.
So here we are, and we finished mixing of the egg whites and those ingredients. And right now we have the hard peaks formed. They're very stiff and we're sticky. Yeah.
Yes.
And we're ready to add our coconut. So
you want to add 14 ounces of shredded sweetened coconut. We're using 2 bags of 7 ounces each. And you want to add this in a little bit at a time, just like you did your sugar, and put your mixer on low and just gently fold it in. Or you can fold it by hand and put it in and just get your hands in there all sticky. And
I wouldn't recommend doing that. If your mixer's already dirty, just use the mixer.
Some people are adventurous.
That's okay. If you're adventurous and you want to
do it, go for it.
Just wash your hands first and have a ball.
Yes. So we're going to use the mixer, and so you're going to mix a little bit in at a time. Just let that run, and then we'll be ready for the next step.
Fun fact about coconut.
The white part is actually known as the meat of the coconut, and that's what you use when it's dry. It's called copra, and yeah.
It's delicious.
It is delicious.
Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. So here we are, and we have the coconut folded in to our mixture, and we're ready to scoop them out. And we are using about a golf ball size scoop. I think it's about 1.5 inches. Either way, you want to go small.
Yes, smaller is better than bigger.
Yes, for these coconut macaroons.
Yes.
And so we'll just scoop them out, and we got a baking sheet here and some parchment paper. So
you just want to take your scoop and put it in a thing. Scoop, bring it up the side to flatten it. A little messy there.
All right.
take it, put it on a sheet, and it will make a little ball there for you.
Yes.
And you probably, with this amount, will want to use about 2 sheets.
Yes, ma'am. So, fun fact about the cream of tartar, which was one of the ingredients added in with the egg whites, is that's used as a stabilizing agent in heat for the egg whites. And so that's the secret, I should say, to meringue pies and cookies such as coconut macaroons. Alrighty, so here we are, and we have all of our coconut macaroons dished out, scooped out, I should say, onto our parchment paper and baking sheets. And now we're just going to put them in the oven. And tell us about that.
So you want to put them in the oven at 325 and let them cook for about 20 minutes.
Delicious.
And then you're going to turn the oven off after that and then let them just sit in there for 30 minutes to dry. And then take them out and put them on a wire drying rack and let them cool off until they're ready. So
once they're ready, then, well, while they're getting ready, you can start to prepare your chocolate drizzle.
Yes. So for the chocolate drizzle, we're just going to do 1 pack of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and you're going to put them on the oven and just let that melt down until it's liquidy, and then you'll drizzle that over the macaroons when they're done.
Can't wait. Alright, so here we are, and we have our coconut macaroons all finished and out of the oven. Pan's still hot, so Megan, be careful. Now we're going to start our chocolate drizzle. I'll hold this for you, and you just explain all this.
So we mixed half a bag of Ghirardelli chocolate chips with a little bit of milk, and you're just going to gently drizzle that on the top.
That's good.
Each one.
You know, after working like a dog all day, I tell you what, I cannot wait to eat these coconut macaroons. What about you, Megan?
I'm pretty darn excited.
All right. Well, with that being said, we'll finish up here, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful.
Yes, and if it was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you.
Thank you.